Okay, now we come to a very important part of contraception, which is permanent method of contraception. We will only be focusing on the important MCQ questions जो इस topic से आ सकते हैं, because usually university में they do not give you in detail a 5 or a 10 mark question to be answered. ठीक है, so we'll basically be concentrating on the MCQ type of questions or certain viva questions that can be formed. ठीक है, so what is my topic today? Permanent method of contraception. ठीक है, permanent method. Now what is the permanent method of contraception? What is it called? Yes, it is known as sterilization. ठीक है, so since it's known as sterilization, there can be male sterilization or female sterilization. ठीक है, so let us see what is female sterilization and what are the methods for it. Female sterilization is a permanent method of contraception. ठीक है, so there are certain criteria that need to be fulfilled for a lady to be for a lady to undergo female sterilization. What are those criteria? That she should be, number one, she should be married, okay, or ever married. ठीक है, ever married, कभी भी शादी हुई थी, या she should be married. Okay, question that comes as MCQ is the age, 22 to 49 years of age. ठीक है, then should she have 1 children, 2 children, 3 children to be eligible for female sterilization? She should at least have 1 child. ठीक है, who should be at least more than 1 year of age. Please remember, what are we studying this? All these are nothing but the eligibility criteria. Okay, which female is eligible for undergoing female sterilization? So she should be married or ever married. Age group कितना होना चाहिए? 20 to 49 years of age, and she should have at least 1 child. The age of that child should be more than 1 year of age. ठीक है, then she should not have any past history of sterilization. Okay, no past history of sterilization. ठीक है, of self or spouse. ठीक है, कोई past history नहीं होनी चाहिए. Also she should be of sound mind. Question जो पूछा जाएगा, that what if she is mentally unwell? Then who is going to give the go for it? So if she is mentally unwell, okay, or mentally ill, ठीक है, then what happens? Who should certify it, the sterilization, that she is eligible for sterilization? So it should be certified, okay, by psychiatrist, okay, or the statement on soundness of mind, okay, the statement on soundness of mind should be given by legal authorities or legal guardian and spouse. This is very important. ठीक है, अगर mentally unwell है तो psychiatrist उसको कर सकता है, और the legal guardian can pass a statement. ठीक है, so this is female sterilization. MCQ में they ask about this. So this is a question, at least 1 child more than 1 year of age. They ask you about the age group also. ठीक है, pick what age. Then let's come to male sterilization. So who is eligible for male sterilization? So what are we studying? The eligibility criteria. ठीक है, so कौन eligible है for male sterilization? Again it is married or ever married. ठीक है, 22 to, जैसे यहाँ पे था ना 22 to 49 years, यहाँ पे 22 to 60 years of age. This is important, okay, because why 49 years for a female? Because that's the reproductive age group, that's the cutoff for reproductive age group. ठीक है, so 22 to 60 years. Then it should be at least 1 child, same thing, more than 1 year of age. Okay, same thing, that no past history of sterilization. ठीक है, no past history of sterilization. ठीक है, of self or spouse. Okay, and then of course sound mind, and if they are not sound mind, then it needs to be certified by a psychiatrist or by a legal guardian. ठीक है. Now method for a male sterilization is you have convention, it's known as vasectomy. Okay, vasectomy या इसको और क्या बोलते हैं, conventional vasectomy. Okay, this is performed, can be performed also by a trained MBBS doctor. ठीक है, और there is one more method which is NSV. ये पूछते हैं, this is no scalpel vasectomy. I'll be showing you the picture. ठीक है, no scalpel vasectomy. Okay, so no scalpel vasectomy also has to be done by a trained MBBS doctor. ठीक है, एंड फॉर अ फीमेल स्टेरिलाइजेशन आपको क्या, देर आर टू मेथड्स, ज़्यादा डिटेल में वील नॉट बी गोइंग, आई पुट इट हियर ओनली. इट इज़ आइदर नोन एज अ मिनी लैप ट्यूबेक्टमी, ठीक है, इट कैन बी परफॉर्म्ड एनी टाइम विद इन 7 days. ठीक है, विद इन 7 days आफ्टर start of menstrual cycle. ठीक है, menstrual cycle within 7 days after start of menstrual cycle, or also within 7 days or 6 weeks or more postpartum. ठीक है, सो दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मिनी लैप ट्यूबेक्टमी हो सकता है, इसको वी कैन परफॉर्म इट विद इन 7 days आफ्टर स्टार्ट ऑफ मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल्स, और इट कैन ऑल्सो बी परफॉर्म्ड इन केसेस 6 weeks और मोर आफ्टर पोस्टपार्टम. ठीक है, फिर एक और थिंग इज ऑल्सो नोन एज, द अदर मेथड इज ऑल्सो नोन एज लैप्रोस्कोपिक ट्यूबल ऑक्लूजन. Just remember this. ठीक है, so male sterilization, female sterilization. Now female sterilization के 2 methods हैं, मिनी लैप ट्यूबेक्टमी कर सकते हैं या लैप्रोस्कोपिक ट्यूबल ऑक्लूजन कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, नाउ जो क्वेश्चंस हमें पूछे जाते हैं दैट इज मोस्टली फ्रॉम NSV. ठीक है, जो दैट वी विल स्टडी. ठीक है, सो प्रोसीजर ऑफ वेसेक्टमी इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. देयर इज एन MCQ क्वेश्चन दैट कम्स फ्रॉम इट, प्रोसीजर ऑफ वेसेक्टमी. ठीक है, सो व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन दैट कम्स फ्रॉम इट, दैट what do you remove in vasectomy? Okay, so you remove, very important, remove minimum 1 centimeter of vas deferens. This is the questions that is asked. ठीक है, you remove minimum 1 centimeter of vas deferens. So they will ask you that vasectomy includes the removal of dash centimeter of vas deferens, or removal of what? So it includes it includes removal of minimum 1 centimeter of vas deferens. ठीक है, what do you do? The ends are ligated and they are folded back to themselves. ठीक है, उतना you need not worry about. You just need to remember that vasectomy involves removal of minimum 1 centimeter of vas deferens. एक और क्वेश्चन आता है कि जैसे आपने ये परफॉर्म किया, डज द मेल बिकम स्टेराइल? नो. ठीक है, सो द पर्सन इज नॉट स्टेराइल. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, द पॉइंट दैट आई एम राइटिंग. ठीक है, द पर्सन इज नॉट स्टेराइल until after, very important, after 30 ejaculations. Okay, 30 ejaculations मतलब 3 months post vasectomy. ठीक है, so the person is not sterile, the person is not sterile until after 30 ejaculations or 3 months post vasectomy. Vasectomy में क्या किया? We have ligated 1 centimeter of vas deferens and the cuts are folded back on themselves. जो MCQ में क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे that immediately after performing a vasectomy, does the male person become sterile? No, he does not become sterile until after 30 ejaculations. This comes as an MCQ. ठीक है, 30 ejaculations means 3 months post vasectomy. ठीक है, so this is very important. Then there is another question जो हम that can be asked from NSV. NSV क्या है? नो स्कैल्पेल वेसेक्टमी. Okay, so no scalpel vasectomy. Is there any other name for no scalpel vasectomy? Yes, there is. What is it known as? It is known as keyhole vasectomy. ठीक है, no scalpel vasectomy is also known as keyhole vasectomy. मतलब you are not using any scalpel. In this also what happens, that patient will require 30 ejaculations after vasectomy before turning sterile. दोनों में, whether you do a conventional vasectomy or you do a no scalpel vasectomy, only after 3 months of vasectomy the person will become sterile. So this is very important. ठीक है, then certain things that you need to do after a vasectomy is, this can come as a question, that the person is advised to avoid bath for 24 hours after vasectomy. ठीक है, so this is important. Then you need a T bandage that should be applied for support. ठीक है, T bandage for support for 15 days. ठीक है, to keep the site dry. Then avoid lifting heavy weight. ठीक है, so avoid lifting heavy weights. Okay, avoid lifting heavy weights for how many days? For 15 days. ठीक है, इसमें से दे आस्क अ क्वेश्चन अबाउट टी बैंडेज फॉर सपोर्ट फॉर हाउ मेनी डेज इट इज गिवन. लिफ्टिंग ऑफ हैवी वेट्स इज अवॉइडेड फॉर हाउ मेनी डेज? दिस कैन कम एज अ पोटेंशियल क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, देन देर इज वन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट कैन हैपन पोस्ट वेसेक्टमी. द ऑपरेटिव कॉम्प्लिकेशंस जो हो सकते हैं या आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स, वी कैन टॉक अबाउट इट एज आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स ऑफ वेसेक्टमी. Okay, after effects of vasectomy क्या होता है? Obviously there can be formation of hematoma, scrotal hematoma. ठीक है, painful scrotal hematoma could be formed. ठीक है, एक important point है, there could also be formation of sperm granules. ठीक है, sperm granules कितने दिन बाद आते हैं? These are 7 mm in diameter and they come after 10 to 14 days of vasectomy. Okay, there's formation of something known as sperm granules. They are formed 10 to 14 days after vasectomy. ठीक है, so this is very important. Then any other point that we need to cover for vasectomy is, and tubectomy, yes, the least failure rate is for which method of contraception? It is sterilization. In sterilization also it is vasectomy. ठीक है, प्लीज रिमेंबर वेसेक्टमी इज द बेस्ट, इट्स द मोस्ट इफेक्टिव मेथड ऑफ कॉन्ट्रासेप्शन. ठीक है, ओके, नाउ फेलियर रेट, वील पुट इट हियर. फेलियर रेट इज 0.15 per 100 women years. ठीक है, एक क्वेश्चन आता है दैट how will you confirm whether successful vasectomy has happened or not? ठीक है, so this is a potential question. Confirmation of, this is important. ठीक है, confirmation of successful vasectomy. Histological confirmation तो ठीक है. The other is that you make a smear of squeeze of vas by a strain which is right stain. ठीक है, this is very important, that how will you confirm that a successful vasectomy has happened? एक तो histological confirmation है, दूसरा you make a smear of squeeze of the vas by using which stain? This is a question, right stain. And last important question from this vasectomy topic could be that what is the most common cause of failure of vasectomy? Vasectomy, yes, it is that the doctor is unable to identify the vas deferens. ठीक है, so mistaken identification of, ठीक है, mistaken identification of vas deferens. ठीक है, this is very very important. Vasectomy में questions usually come from such questions only कि no scalpel vasectomy का what is the other name for it, what are the precautions to be taken. Okay, then formation of sperm granules, they should take place within the sperm granules form within 10 to 14 days, ये question आता है. They also ask you about the failure rate of vasectomy. It is the most important method of contraception, most importantly, most effective method. Then how will you confirm a successful vasectomy has happened or not? Okay, and also most common cause of failure of vasectomy. So this is about sterilization, very important. Okay. One question was asked in one of the papers, what is ESSURE? We'll just know the name. This is Essure. Essure मतलब क्या होता है? What is it? It is nothing but a permanent, ठीक है, a permanent sterilization procedure. Okay, a permanent sterilization procedure for women in USA. Please remember this. Okay, they can just ask you the name. We'll not go into detail of it. Essure अगर तुमको कभी भी मिला, it's just, if it comes as a question, it's nothing but a permanent sterilization procedure for women in USA. ठीक है, now let me just show you a picture quickly. Okay, see, this is the picture of female sterilization or tubal ligation, and we also have NSV. ठीक है, so they can give you a picture of this and they can just ask you certain questions related to female sterilization. Okay, what is the eligibility criteria of sterilization, anything they can ask you. तो यहाँ पे देखो, this is the fallopian tube. These ends are tied and cut, and they can also be cauterized. And the other is no scalpel vasectomy. It's also known as a keyhole vasectomy. Vas deferens pulled through incision and it's cut. So they can just show you the image of these two and ask you potential questions. Okay? So this covers what is known as permanent method of sterilization, permanent method of contraception, which is sterilization. Okay? And we've tried to cover all the important points within it. Now, last thing that we will do is, okay, post-conception methods for termination of pregnancy. Now, emergency contraception we have studied, okay, but legally also termination of pregnancy is allowed, which is studied under the MTP Act, okay, Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act. So we will quickly just go through some of the points of MTP Act. Okay,